Hello. Chances are, if you have been in the neovim ecosystem for a while, you know about the plugin Mason. Mason is a package manager you use to install formatters, liners, anything you need for your daily coding. And the problem with Mason is when you install a package, uh, neovim doesn't know how to speak with that package, doesn't know how to use it. And to solve that, you need this other plugin. It is none-ls, and it's exactly that. With this plugin, you connect those clients with neovim so they can speak with each other. And for that, none-ls have built-ins. Okay, you can see it here. You have them for code actions, completion, diagnostics, formatting. You have all clients here supported. The second problem we have is now they know how to speak with each other, but neovim doesn't know how to load those clients yet. So for that, you need the second plugin, which is mason-null-ls, and it's exactly that. Okay, if you have this plugin, the moment you install a package in Mason, it's gonna be loaded automatically. All good so far. What's the problem? Well, the problem is recently none-ls started to drop support for many built-ins, and they were perfectly fine. The problem is after a year, a client hasn't received an update. The maintainers have decided to drop support for them, which I don't totally agree with. But well, the fact is now you can't use them. What do you do if you need to use them? Well, you need a new concept that is external sources, and you can find them all here because they were all over the place. So I gathered them in this repository. Okay, you can come here and find them. The ones that are not supported anymore, you can install them with this. So the thing is, mason-null-ls doesn't know how to use external sources. And to solve that, I've created the plugin none-ls-autoload, which is basically a fork of mason-null-ls with support for external sources. Okay, you can see an example here. In this example, we are installing the external sources as a dependency. And here we say, here you can find the external source. So when I install this plugin, none-ls is gonna know how to use it. So let's try that. Let's try. Here I have a cucumber file. I'm gonna open Mason. And the thing is, this client here, reformat Gherkin, is not officially supported by none-ls. But because I installed you can see it here again, because I installed this external source, when I install it with Mason now, you can see here it's loaded and I can use it for formatting normally. So that's what the plugin is for. What is not supported by none-ls anymore, you can come here, grab this plugin, grab the external sources, and you can keep using the external sources like nothing happened, more or less. Well, I hope this has been useful for you. It took me a couple of days to code this, so please take good use of it and enjoy it. See you soon.